Hi everyone! This video is a review of the 10 hand signals that we will use to keep track of the first 10 amendments to the United States Constitution. They're called the Bill of Rights. So number one, First Amendment. The way we're going to remember these first 5 rights in the First Amendment is RAPPS, R-A-P-P-S. There are 5 of them in number 1. So first off, when you make a number 1, you are pointing upwards towards heaven or God or some higher power. You have the right to freedom of religion. A means assemble. You have the right to be in groups, to be in clubs, to assemble for protests. P, the first P is petition, telling the government you don't like something, you're going to fix it. Press, pretend that you are writing on your hand, you're writing a newspaper or a report or a blog, you have freedom of press. And the last one is S, speech. You have freedom of speech. So RAPPS, R-A-P-P-S, all with one finger. 2 is a gun, because you have the right to bear arms. Now, reminder, if you wander the hallway finger gunning people, you will be suspended. 3 is quarter soldiers. So this is a quarter. That means your personal home, your quarters. And these are 3 soldiers who want to stay with you, or that the government says needs to live with you. And you can say no. You have the right to not quarter soldiers. 4, you're going to hold up 4 fingers and make a fist. Bang, bang, bang. Someone's trying to get into your house. The police are trying to get into your house. And you say, do you have a warrant? If they don't, you don't have to let them in. 5 is going to cover your mouth. You have the right to remain silent if you are going to say something that will get you in trouble. 6, you're going to point to your watch. You, or imaginary watch, you have the right to a speedy trial. So that means you can't be kept in prison for 10 years and then taken to trial. You have the right to a speedy trial. Next is 7. So this is the judge, your lawyer, and the jury. You have the right to a trial by jury, and hopefully these jury people are going to find you not guilty. Next is 8. So you're going to tuck your thumbs and you're going to put your hands out like this. So I'm showing 4 fingers on each hand, so 8. I'm in handcuffs. I have the right to no cruel and unusual punishment if I am being arrested. 9. So when you hold up 9 fingers, this finger is not showing. Even though this finger isn't visible, it still exists. Even though something is not in the Constitution, you still have that right. It's kind of a catch-all protection. For example, there's nothing in the Constitution about the right to get married, but you do. You have the right to get married. There's nothing in there about go to school, but you have the right to get an education. And the next is 10, and we're going to go, not my problem. If something is not in the United States Constitution, it automatically goes to the states and they have to decide. So, for example, driver's licenses. There's nothing in the Constitution about driving a car. Not my problem. Every state has to make their own driving laws. Or marriage. Not my problem. It's up to each state to determine what is or is not okay for marriage. So if it's not in the Constitution, 10, it's not my problem. It's the state's problem. All right, everyone, those are the first 10 amendments to the United States Bill of Rights. Good luck.